Alright, so continuing with our work, envelopes, we did these and made it one. Alright, done. Now what we will do is we will only do one leg and then we can copy these weights to the other leg. Alright, now either the vertices will be affected by one bone or at the max two bones. Okay, so at the joints, two bones will be affecting the vertices. Now, for example, these vertices will be affected by the spine, which is this top bone, and the left leg, which is this bottom bone. Okay, now the top ones are closer to the spine, so they will have a bigger effect from the spine and lesser effect from the leg bone. So if you select the spine, I will go to edit, select all, and they are towards the spine, so I will put 0.6. So all of them become 0.6, and also sometimes you have to make sure that they are all 0.6, and then you make sure that the leg is 0.4 and it is cat rig L leg, so left leg. Alright, sometimes there might be slight weights from other bones also, so you have to be a little careful. Alright, so the spine is affecting more and the leg is affecting less. These ones will be opposite. Now we will select, so you can either do the leg or the spine, doesn't matter. So we did the spine first, so here you can type 0.4 or in the leg you can type 0.6, doesn't matter. So I'll do the leg this time, and once this becomes 0.6, this becomes 0.4. Okay, then we'll go to next ones. Now this should be all affected by the leg alone. Okay, nothing else should be affected, but the spine has some role to play, so I will just right click so it becomes 0, and then I will make sure that now it is all going to the left leg. Okay, now here this should be left leg 1 and left leg 2, so left leg 1 and left leg 2, and these should be affected more by the left leg 1, and instead of 0.6 let us try 0.7 now. Okay, so the top one will be 0.7 and the bottom is 0.3, and then we'll do the bottom one. This is 0.3 and this is 0.7, and the middle ones will be 0.5, 0.5. Okay, so edit, select all, 0.5, 0.5, and then we have to make sure that the other leg is not affecting them, and in my case it is not, so we are fine there. We'll go down, and this should only be affected by leg 2, which is happening, so we move on. Now these are the next ones, because I know if you don't know you can zoom in there. Okay, and then you can even go to edged faces, so you can see that these are the next ones. So now there is a leg bone and the ankle bone. Alright, so this will be affected. Oops, what happened there? The look of it changed. Let me select some other bone. Let me select this one. Okay, so these will be affected by the ankle. This will be 100% affected by the ankle. This will be affected by the leg, and then the middle ones will be affected by the ankle. So these two lines will be affected by both ankle and the leg. Same here, this only by the ankle. So let us work on that. These ones will be affected by the, why is it not moving? Okay, leg 2, edit, select all, make it leg 2.7. Okay, then we don't want to select the other leg. Wireframe, we'll select the below ones, shift, not shift, control this, control this, control this. These four will be affected more by the edit select all. Now see here, this is one, so if you want to change, you cannot type anything here because it will not know where the rest of the weight should go, so it will always remain one. So left leg will become 0.3 here, and once this becomes 0.3, this will become 0.7. Okay, and this one was not supposed to be selected. These will be, and it was one was correct actually, so we went wrong there. So one all on this. Okay, so this we did right. Now we need to do this one, the one below that. This, control this, this, control this. This is done. These are common. Okay, this, control these, and this will be more by ankle. This is the bottom of the leg, so this is by ankle is correct. Okay, this one, control this one by ankle, correct. This one, control this one, should get some by the leg, so we can type 0.2, 0.2, little effect. We can always change it later if we think that it's not working well. So I am trying different numbers. So these front ones will be all 1. So this is not 1, this is not 1. The one in little ahead has to be ankle and digit. So more by the digit, less by the ankle. So select all, and ankle will be 0.7, digit will be 0.3. Is there anything else? See here, just right click. So 0.7. Okay, we will have to type 0.7 again. Yes, and then these two. Control more by ankle, and we have to make sure nothing by anything else. So first we will make that 0, and this should be affected by the ankle more. So, and then these are 1 here, so maybe the bottom one should be affected by the ankle. No, bottom one should also be bent. So we will, digit will be less, so 0.3. Oops, edit select all, 0.3. Okay, and that is done. Now what we need to do is we need to select all these vertices. This, we can go to the front view better. We have selected this, and then control select these, and then these weights have to be mirrored here. So what we do is we will click on mirror mode. It's not, we got to select it again. the vertex selected? Yeah. So we are in the mirror mode. Why only two are getting selected? Is it because of the spine? And then you have to click on this mirror paste. But is that working? Wait table. No, it didn't work. So I'll stop